How to create app folders on Android. This tutorial shows you how to group apps together on your home screen to keep things organized. First, find two apps on your home screen that you want to group together. From there, press and hold one app icon and drag it on top of another one. After that, a folder will be created automatically containing both apps. At this point, tap on the folder to open it, then tap on the name field at the top where it says Unnamed Folder or shows a default name. From here, type in whatever name you want to give the folder, like Social, Games, or Work, and tap Done on the keyboard to confirm. Following this, to add more apps to the folder, simply drag and drop any other app icon from your home screen directly onto the folder, and it will be added inside. After that, if you want to remove an app from the folder, open the folder, press and hold the app you want to take out, and drag it outside the folder onto your home screen. Finally, if you want to delete the folder entirely, remove all the apps from inside it one by one, and the folder will disappear automatically once it's empty. That's how you create app folders on Android. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!